Is it really necessary to be spraying pesticides in and around your home to keep pests out? No, it's not. For 13 years, we've been keeping pests out of homes completely, 99 to 100%, without the use of pesticides. Crawling pests can't climb smooth surfaces like our pest border. As you can see here and here and here. We started with glass 13 years ago. Our product is now called the Pest Border Echo. It is an aluminum zinc blend with a baked on coating that comes in 35 different colors. The homes that we have installed, hundreds of them throughout Arizona and Nevada, are completely pest free without pesticides.
This is the most amazing thing I've had in my 40-year history with burns.
Call us now, 623-275-0240. Thank you and have a good day.